So, hello and welcome sa ating One Network e-commerce compensation plan recorded webinar presentation. My name is Calvin Rosales. I'm your presenter for today, and I'm your head for sales and network marketing development. Again, i-discuss ko ngayon yung compensation plan or yung different ways paano nakikita sa business natin or sa One Network e-commerce. So, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Didiretsahin ko na. So, meron tayong subscription classes. First is yung Advantage. That's 3,880 pesos. Second is yung Master Class. That's 11,664 pesos. Yung Elite Class is 27,216. Sa Advantage, meron kang isang store. Sa Master Class, you have 3 stores. Sa Elite Class, you'll get 7 stores. Yan yung mga package natin or yung mga subscription classes. Now, hindi lang ikaw may chance na makabenta ng mga products or mag-grab ng mga products. Okay? So, dito, may chance ka din na kumita sa referral. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng residual sa referral income at saka sa na-refer na na-refer mo. Later, i-discuss ko pa yan ng mas maayos para mas maintindihan natin. Now, meron ka ding chance na tumulong sa ibang tao para magkaroon ng sarili nilang online store, para magkaroon sila ng sariling business online. So, when you share or promote your store sa social media, sa Facebook, and someone subscribe for their own store through yours, you are entitled to a referral reward. Ibig sabihin, bumili ng store sa'yo. Meron kang referral reward. Magkano? Meron kang 500 pesos per successful referral. Again, 500 pesos. Now, what if dalawa yung na-refer mo? Meron kang 1,000 pesos. What if 10 yung na-refer mong store? Meron kang 5,000. What if 100 people yung bumili ng store sa'yo? Meron kang 50,000 pesos. Up to infinity. Now, you can increase your affiliate store. As more stores sign up through your store and or through the stores that sign up through yours, that this will be distributed into 2 teams. Mahati sa dalawa yung team mo. Merong Team Alpha, merong Team Bravo. Kahit na-refer mo o yung mga na-refer mo, hahatiin yan sa dalawang team. Again, meron kang Team Alpha at saka Team Bravo. Now, meron tayong tinatawag na link reward. Whenever a store in one team links with another team, okay, you earn a link reward. Each link will yield a 400 point reward or 400 pesos. Ulitin ko. Alright? Pag meron kang online store sa Team Alpha at isang online store sa Team Bravo, merong successful link na nangyayari. That's link reward. Every successful link, meron kang 400 pesos. So, kung meron kang 5 link, meron kang 2,000 pesos. Alright? Pero kung yung store mo, meron kang sa Team Bravo, 6, tapos sa Team Alpha 5 lang, waiting yung isa. Maghahanap siya ng ka-link niya sa kabilang group or kabilang team. Ganun siya kasimple. But it's infinity. Ibig sabihin, walang limit kung gaano kalalim, walang limit kung hanggang saan aabot yung mga store under you. Okay? As long as meron kang store under your organization, Team Alpha at Team Bravo, magkakaroon ka ng link reward. Now, we have also a link royalty. Every successful link made by the store who personally sponsored by you, link royalty rewards at 50 point each or 50 pesos will be passed up to you. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga successful link na nagawa, okay, na kinita, alright, ng store na ikaw mismo ang nag-refer, meron kang 50 pesos. Ulitin ko, every time na magkakaroon ng successful link income, yung store na sponsor mo, meron kang 50 pesos. Kapag may 400 pesos siya na kinikita, ikaw meron kang 50 pesos. That's link royalty. Now, we have you can earn by group sales rewards naman. Ito naman pag nagbebenta ng yung mga online store mo sa organization. We have CV breakdown or allocation. CV means commissionable value or yung commission isiset mo para sa mga online resellers mo. Again, CV is commissionable value, is yung specific discount rate na inassign mo sa bawat product na in-upload mo. That's CV. Para may imagine nyo, for example, gusto kita maging reseller, syempre bibigyan kita ng commission. Ilang percent ba? Magkano ba? Yun yung commissionable value. Okay, for example, your product SRP is worth 10,000 pesos, then you set 50% CV. That will be 5,000 worth of CV. Ibig sabihin, meron akong 50% na inassign para pang commission sa lahat ng magiging reseller ko. Okay? O sa lahat ng makakabenta ng products na in-upload ko. Member stores will earn from the CV you set once they sell your products. Ganito yung breakdown niyan. So, sabi ko kanina, di ba, 50% CV, that's 5,000 pesos. So, 40% ng 5,000 or ng CV mapupunta sa personal rebates. 40% ng 5,000 is 2,000 pesos. Ibig sabihin, kung yung product mo nabenta ko, yung worth 10,000 na product mo nabenta ko, meron akong instant 40% or 2,000 pesos. Saan napunta yung iba? 15% ng 5,000 or ng sinet mong CV or yung 750 pesos na pupunta sa unit level rewards. Yung 25% ng 5,000 or yung 1,250 napupunta siya sa product link value or yung binary CV. Here, didiscuss ko yung unit level at binary CV. And 20% is for credit card fees and other related fees. Napupunta sa company yung 1,000 pesos. Okay, i-review natin. Okay, sample, yung product SRP mo is 10,000. Ang sinet na CV is 50%. 40% of the CV goes to your personal rebates. Total of what? 2,000. 15% of the CV, which is 750 pesos, goes to Unilevel, Ranking, and Global Pool. 65% of 15% or yung 750 pesos, ang equivalent is 487.5 pesos. I-distribute yan sa first level to 9th level. 30% of the 15% or ng 750 is 225. Pupunta po yan sa ranking. Okay? Ranking at sa yung tinatawag nating differential rebates. 5% of the 15% or ng 750 is yung 37.5. Pupunta po yan sa global pool or yung yearly profit sharing natin. 25% ng sinet mong CV or ng 5,000 pesos, that's 1,250, mapupunta po sa binary CV or yung product pairing. Again, i-discuss ko lahat yan mamaya sa inyo. 20% of the CV or 1,000 goes to credit card and other related fees. Total of 5,000 pesos. Okay? Kung ikaw yung may-ari ng product, dapat sa 5,000 mo na natira sa'yo, may kita ka na. Okay? 5,000 yung pinang-commission mo. Okay. Now, ito yung tinatawag natin unilevel reward. These percentages are the basis of your rewards from sales made by people you referred. That's level 1, yung 30%. And those they refer, that's level 2, yung 9%. So and so forth. Total po niyan, from first level to 9th level, 65%. So yung 65%, kaninang 65% ng 15%, 750, 487, yan yung distribute sa first level to 9th level. 30% ng 65% nasa first level. First level, yan yung mga taong na-refer mo. O yung mga online store na ikaw mismo yung nag-sponsor. Ikaw mismo yung nakapag-refer. Okay, kung 10 sila, lahat ng benta nila, meron kang 30% ng sinet na CV. Okay? Second level, lahat ng na-refer mo, may 9% ka sa lahat ng benta nila. Okay? Third level, 5%. Fourth level, 3%. 5%. 5 level, 2%. 6th level, 2%. 7th level, 7%. 8th level, 4%. And 9th level, 3%. Total of 65% of the unilevel CV. Okay? Next, we have also ranking or yung rankings and requirements. Okay? Yung ranking natin, ibig sabihin dito may position din. Kung na-hit mo to, yung mga rank na to, lalaki yung income sa Unilevels rewards natin. Ang default position mo is Frontier. Frontier, ang next position is Mercator. So, ito, para ma-hit mo yung Mercator, kailangan magkaroon ka ng 15,000 group Unilevel income. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng members under you sa Unilevel, kapag naka-generate ng worth 15,000 na Unilevel income, you will be promoted as Mercator. Next is yung Viceroy. Again, kapag naka-generate yung group mo sa Unilevel ng income na worth 50,000, you will be promoted as Viceroy. Para ma-hit mo yung Mogul, kailangan meron kang 150,000 group Unilevel income. Magnate, 300,000 group Unilevel income. Okay. So, yung rank push-up is until Magnate lang. So, dito naman sa Tycoon, dito ka na mag-build ng mga leaders. Okay, dito ka na makakapag-build ng mga leaders sa grupo mo. Paano? Bakit ko sinabi? Bakit ko sinabing gano'n? Mag-build yan ng leaders. Kasi, para ma-promote ka as Tycoon, kailangan meron kang 5 Magnate. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan maka-generate sila ng sales. Kailangan ma-promote sila as Magnate yung mga downlines mo para ma-promote ka ng Tycoon. Kailangan makabuo ka ng 5 Magnate. Okay? Yung ikaw mismo nakapag-refer. That's different lines. Imperium is 10 Magnates. Kailangan makabuo ka ng 10 Magnates under you. And Titan, kailangan mo ng 3 Tycoons under you. Dito, walang demotion. Pag na-promote ka, hindi ka nabababa. Alright? Meron tayong tinatawag na differential rebates. Okay? O yung ranking reward. So, kapag na-promote ka, Mercator, meron kang additional 10%. At bukod dun sa 65% na Unilevel income mo. Okay? So, pag na-promote ka ng Viceroy, additional 12%, Mogul, additional 15%, Magnate, additional 20%, Tycoon, additional 24%, Imperium, additional 27%, Titan, additional 30%. Okay, yan yung income mo. Additional dun sa kaninang Unilevel income mo. Alright, so dito naman, meron tayong tinatawag na higher rebates, lower rebates. Okay? So, dito, para hindi malugi yung company, kailangan pag same na kayo ng position, mag-break away na kayo, or kapag yung position niya ay malapit sa'yo, kung magkano yung additional income niya sa Unilevel, ililess yun sa income mo. Okay? For example, Titan ka, may downline ka na Tycoon. So, ang Unilevel additional income ng Tycoon is 24%. So, kung 30% yung sa'yo, less 24%. So, matitira sa'yo 6% na lang. 6% yung additional income mo sa Unilevel. On top of your income, sa Unilevel na 65%. Mogul is additional 15% siya sa Unilevel reward niya. So, kung Titan ka, 30%, less 15%, meron kang 15%. Up to infinity yan. Alright? Mercator, additional 10%. Kung Titan ka, less 10%, meron kang 20% bonus for your entire group sales up to infinity. Okay? Now, we have product link rewards. Ito yung pinaka-most exciting part. Okay? At the end of each month, PLVs or points for each of your two teams will be summed up. The result on each side will be divided by 500. For every 500 points or product link value on each side, a link is formed and you will get a 100-point reward. Alright, ito po yan. Pa-explain ko ng mas mabuti. Okay, for example, is meron kang 5 store sa Team Alpha, 5 store sa Team Bravo. And each of them is naka-generate ng 100 PLV or 100 points. So, pag tinotal mo, kung 5 sila, meron kang 500 points or PLV sa Team Alpha. 500 PLB sa Team Bravo. For every 500 PLB sa Team Alpha or sa left group mo, and then 500 PLB na na-create o na-generate ng Team Bravo mo or right group mo, meron kang product income na 100 pesos. Infinity product link income. Alright? So, kung meron kang 1,000 PLB sa left, 1,000 PLB sa right, i-divide mo lang sa 500. So, meron kang 2 pair, meron kang 200 pesos. Ganun siya. O dalawang product link income. Okay? So, para mas malinaw, for example, merong 55,500 points or PLB. Si Team Bravo, merong 57,700 PLB or points. So, ang gagawin lang dyan, 55,500 divided by 500 equals 111. 57,750 divided by 500, merong 111.5 si Team Bravo. So you take the lower value and multiply by 100. 111 times 100 equals 11,100 pesos product link reward o product link income. Yung sobra, kasi 111 lang yung kinumpute, waiting siya. Waiting siya ng kalink niya. Okay? Now, ibig sabihin, hindi lang sa recruitment, hindi lang sa pagkuha ng mga members ka kumikita ng ng link reward. Pati sa product, merong match income. Okay? So, bawat product, nagkakaroon ng points because sa sinet mong CV at bawat points na yon kapag nakabuka ng 500 sa left or sa Team Alpha, 500 sa Team Bravo, merong successful link reward, product link rewards na 100 pesos. Okay? So, ganoon siya kasi infinite. So, dapat mas maraming product mabenta, mas maraming points, mas malaking CV piliin mo pag binenta mo para mas mabilis ka maka-generate ng maraming points. Mas maraming points, mas malaki ang product link reward income mo. Okay? Now, we have maintenance fee. Okay? So, dito, kailangan mo lang magkaroon ng minimum purchase sa online store mo worth 750 pesos every month. You will entitled to earn in our Unilevel in link reward system sa salesman or sa entry. And 250 pesos for hosting, technical support, storage, and maintenance. So, main system fee po yan, 250 pesos. Yung 750 pesos po, pwedeng ikaw ang bumili, pwedeng customer mo ang bumili. Basta may nangyaring transaction sa online store mo worth 750 pesos, entitled ka na sa lahat ng reward system na meron yung platform natin. Okay, 250 pesos for system fee. Total of 1,000 pesos. You don't have to worry kasi pwede yung i-deduct sa commission mo. Now, review natin. 3,888 pesos a year comes with e-store in V-Money. Alright? V-Money, diyan ka mag-receive ng commissions. Yan yung gagamitin mo para magbayad ng bills, tuition, remittance, loading, etc. And referral reward is 500 pesos. Link reward is 400 pesos. Link royalty bonus, 50 pesos. Ito yung nagkakaroon ka ng 50 pesos income sa lahat ng 400 pesos income ng online store na na-refer mo. Okay? 40% of the CB goes to your personal rebates. 15% goes to Unilevel, ranking, and global pool. 25% of the CB goes to binary CB or the product link value. Okay? So, yun yung points. 20% of the CB goes to credit card and other related fees. Okay? Safety net for link reward. 128 links per level or 128 match per level or total of 51,200 pesos per level maximum income. 128 links per level or 12,800 pesos per level sa product sales. Okay? That's it. So, thank you very much guys sa ating detailed compensation plan recorded webinar. I hope marami kang natutunan. I hope is ngayon alam mo na kung paano i-maximize yung income mo sa One Network e-commerce at alam mo na yung mga different ways, okay, kung saan ka kikita sa One Network. Thank you very much.